Hello, Noble Knitter. It's Nancy Queen. And what if I could told you you could cable without a cable needle? Well, I'm going to show you how with this very easy twisted cable rib stitch pattern. It looks great on the front and it looks like regular ribbing on the back. So let's dive right in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. My friends at Universal Yarns sent me this beautiful pink skein of Deluxe Bulky Superwash for this project, and I'm also using a set of bamboo size 11 knitting needles. I'm going to make about a 25-inch tail and then start with a slip knot. I'll be doing the long tail cast on for this, and I'm going to cast on a multiple of 4 plus 2 stitches. So I cast on 18 stitches total, so it was 16 for the multiple of 4, and then added the extra 2 stitches to get to the 18. After you've cast on, make sure that you count the number of stitches on the needle before you start row 1. We actually work most of this pattern as a traditional 2x2 rib. So I'm going to start with purl 2, and then I'll begin the repeat of knit 2, purl 2 all the way across the row. Row 2 is also very easy. You're going to start by knitting the first 2 stitches, then you're going to begin the repeat of purl 2, knit 2 all the way across the row. Row 3 is where the magic happens. You're going to start by purling the first 2 stitches. Now we're going to knit the next 2 stitches together, but we're not going to take those 2 stitches off the needle. We're going to go back in and knit the very first stitch in that knit 2 together. And then we'll take them off the needle, but we're basically going to go in between the first and second stitches that we made. I'll show you how to do that again. Let's purl 2 more. And now we're going to knit 2 together and leave those knit 2 togethers on the needle. And then we'll go back in between the stitches and knit the very first stitch. Then we'll remove them from the needle. And that's creating our twisted cable without having to use a cable needle. It's very easy and ingenious, don't you think? So give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you think of working this stitch. So let's keep going across the needle. Now we're on to row 4. We are going to work this the same as row 2, and we're going to knit the first 2 stitches, and then we'll begin our repeat of purl 2, knit 2 across the row. You'll keep repeating these 4 rows until your pattern gets to the desired length. And look at how beautiful it is. See, it's ribbing on the back, and then we turn it over to the right side and we have these beautiful simple cables that you can actually knit. Now here's a rundown of the pattern for you. I create a new stitch pattern every Sunday, so be sure you're subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell to get messaged every time I post. To see another pattern, check out this video above, and to see what YouTube recommends you watch next, click the video below. I'll see you in the next video.